kitty cats. Today we are going to do Ipsy bags. Don't forget to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that notification bell twice if you want notifications. Myself today, I am makeupless because I still have a sty in my eye. So I can't really wear any eye makeup. So I'm just not really bothering. That's why I'm so red. I'm not really apologizing. I'm just stating a fact. Okay. That's a weird look for me. Anyways. And as you know, this is my daughter, Sinful Kit Kat, wearing her Pokemon onesie again. Oh, and she probably wants to show you.
I don't think I ever wore a onesie in any of your videos.
Yes, you've worn the Pikachu one before. You have. I will go back and prove it if you need me to. So wait, let you go first because yours is like already out. So.
Selfie with no filter.
Yeah, that's kind of like me right now. There's no filter on this video.
Get your face out of it. It actually focused even though your face was there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to read that. That's distracting.
Sorry.
Answer from.
Sorry, I'm just really crazy today. I kind of need this little over here more, I think. I feel brighter.
Black Volume Gold Radiance Cream with blackberry extracts. Intense hydration. Refreshing soft moisturizer for all skin types.
It's a moisturizer.
Took by moisturizer.
Yes. Blackberry.
And finally.
Finally? Oh, you got one of those.
It's a star.
It's a star one. I have a flower one and a moon one.
It's a star. I don't have a face. It doesn't have a face either.
Cool.
I love these.
It's like one of those eyeliners with a stamp. They
I've
said
been wanting my
she has the star. I have moons and flowers. Excuse
I
me.
have this already.
It's probably
Let's
in
see.
a different one.
By Petra.
It's probably a different color,
That's
so
what it looks like.
take it out of the thing first. Nobody cares about what it looks like in the bubble wrap.
I do. Everything looks like. What to do? Face is always in the way. Is it? I can't. Oh,
I don't know.
I'm bad at this.
It's like
focusing
two
stuff.
blushes in one, right?
Yeah.
Or like a blush and a highlighter. That's what it is. There. There it goes. So you see. There.
And this is Bang
What's that?
Beauty. Bang Beauty.
But what is it?
I don't know yet. Trying to. Oh, my nail broke.
What? There's always cat hair on my brushes.
Eyeshadow. 4 eyeshadows, it looks like. Bang Beauty Smoky eyeshadow.
Okay, you see.
Yes, I showed them the front.
How did it open? Oh, there we go. I see. That's cute. So the colors. That's nice. From Bang Beauty.
The Professional.
From Benefit Cosmetics.
It's a pun.
Yeah, I know. That's one of their things from Benefit Cosmetics. They're known for their professionals makeup.
It's a pun.
Yes.
Okay. Pearl primer.
Ooh.
And that's it.
A primer.
I can just carefully not break anything. This may take an hour.
I really miss wearing makeup.
It's just a little lady. Here you go.
Let's go.
No, you're not going to keep it. You have to get to keep
No.
my makeup.
I don't. No, I'm just saying I miss wearing makeup. I've worn makeup in like 2 weeks because of this thing.
This is all.
This thing in my eye.
It's your turn.
Yes. Okay. My turn. So, I can feel that there are a couple things outside of the bag as well.
I have the same bag. I'm not really too happy about the bags.
Yeah, they're kind of boring. This is my opinion. If you like the bag, that's cool. Just for me, they're a little black. I mean,
Boring.
like orange with a little yellow tassel.
Don't get me wrong, I love orange, but this is
I mean, I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. Anyways. So, seems like, I don't know. So, also selfie thing. We're right over that. So, in the bag we have Murad Age Reform AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Ooh, yay. I'm gonna use some of that tonight.
I don't want to exist anymore.
What? Don't say things like that. People don't understand. Then we got, I also got a little Pixie by Petra thing in the Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. I think mine's a different color than yours though. It looks different. Those look cute. I like peachy colors. Phoenix, you're distracting me now. Ooh, a Huda beauty products. And that packaging that Huda uses with the lips. If I can get out here. Yeah. And I'm gonna swatch it. This is nice packaging.
You're not gonna show them the...
What, the packaging?
Yeah.
Here's the packaging. See, it's pretty heavy for packaging. For, you know, something for an Ipsy bag. That's a really pretty color, I think. I don't know. It is like that kind of like mauve color that seems to always happen. What's it called?
It's pretty.
It's called Bombshell. It is pretty. And I will probably use it. And from what I understand, Huda Beauty's products are supposed to be really good. I think this is my first ever one though. I think you have one that you got in a bag once. Ah, I just made everything move. So, outside of the bag, because I guess it couldn't fit in, we have... Okay, that's not working. I'm gonna cut it open.
Let's not ruin our brushes.
I got a new brush from LSM, or SL Miss Glam. So, this is supposed to be a blush brush. And it's shedding a little already. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. And I've had some of her brushes before and they work just fine. So that's kind of unusual. There doesn't seem to be anything else. That was just that one piece. So maybe that was it, hopefully. Her stuff's meant to be very pretty and sparkly. She likes stuff like that. I think she's having babies right now.
My face.
Yes. So, I'm gonna put this in. It's kind of a small blush brush though, but maybe that'll make it better. Because sometimes they're too big for me. Anyways. And then we have some sheet masks. We have Juice Up Blackberry Mask and Juice Up Kale Mask from Lab for You. So, kale. Those are cute. The whole Juice Up idea. What? You want the scissors? I'm not doing that yet. So that was everything in our Ipsy bags. I hope you enjoyed seeing our Ipsy products that we got. And we'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Okay? Remember to be kind, even when you slap them in the face. Bye-bye, kitty cats.